But there's one that I've just finished a lot of testing on that looks a little bit too good to be true. So what I did and what we're doing in the Discord room is I said, hey, do you guys want access to these? Even though I don't really trust the back test just yet, let's track them together. And people said yes. So what we're doing is we're going to look at the trades, and if someone wants to take them, great, they're out there for you guys. And then we are going to track that versus what we are seeing here over in the back test. And if they line up for a month or some sort of extended period of time, then the back test is right and we can start trading them as well. You know, I went through the code a billion times with a bunch of AI help, and it looks like everything is working. Just again, a little bit too cynical, and I'll show you guys why. And part of this is just because I've been around for some time. A young me would build a back test that looks like this, and I would say, oh my God, I figured it out. I'm going to be the greatest trader of all time and a billionaire. A new me looks at this and says, yes, even though, flat for a year here, flat for a year here, it's not anything crazy. It's not like you're making trillions of dollars not doing anything. There's a lot of slow periods and a lot of down periods. The lack of any sort of substantial pullback in the last 25 years makes me a little bit worried about the setup. So that's what we do. We take a look at it, we run the back test, we try to make sure the back test is as accurate as possible, and then we start to take this into the real world. So what I'm going to do today is just kind of show you guys part of this the same way I am showing the Stats Edge Pro members. And I'm just going to go through the setups that triggered this week. So first of all, and already has me a little bit worried, something I have to go and look back at is this MEHCQ. This is 23andMe, which is bankrupt. So who knows why it's rallying, but it is a bankrupt company that has declared bankruptcy, but is still trading OTC. So it can still be traded and it's still moving, it's still active. I just need to figure out when that cancellation date is. So the trigger here already happened at 333, and I got in somewhere around the 340s. Again, what I'm doing is I'm trading these myself with my own money, which I always do before I bring something public to Stats Edge trading. I'm just doing it very small because I don't really trust the back test. Already up to 373 with a stop of 294. So again, if you want to follow along with any of these,